Greetings, prosperity pioneers and financial enthusiasts. Welcome to Wealth Builders Wisdom. Today, we're delving deep into an asset that has not only withstood the test of time but has been a symbol of wealth and prosperity for millennia. Gold. Have you ever marveled at the allure of this shimmering metal? It's not just a material for opulent jewelry. Gold has been the backbone of economies, the coveted prize of explorers, and a hedge against economic uncertainties. Let's explore why gold has been, and remains, a safe way to accumulate wealth over time. From the ancient Egyptian pharaohs to today's most savvy investors, gold has been a treasured asset. It's a tangible asset, unaffected by the vagaries of stock markets, interest rates, and geopolitical tensions. But what truly makes gold shine in the world of investments? 1. Intrinsic value. Unlike paper money or digital numbers on a screen, gold has intrinsic value. It's rare. It can't be manufactured out of thin air, and it requires effort to extract. 2. Long-term hedge against inflation. As prices rise and the purchasing power of currencies fluctuate, gold remains steadfast. Historically, its value tends to rise when the cost of living increases. 3. Diversification. Diversifying your investment portfolio is a fundamental principle of financial planning. And gold, being relatively uncorrelated to stocks and bonds, offers that diversification. 4. A global asset. Regardless of where you are in the world, gold retains its value. In many cultures, it's even deeply rooted in traditions, gifted at weddings and celebrated festivals. We're halfway through our golden journey, and if you're finding this enlightening, don't forget to subscribe to Wealth Builders Wisdom. Dive deeper with us into the world of wealth creation. Now, investing in gold doesn't mean you need to have a treasure chest buried in your backyard. There are modern, sophisticated methods to add this asset to your portfolio. A. Physical gold. This can be in the form of coins, bars, or jewelry. It's tangible. You have direct ownership, and it gives many a sense of security. B. Gold ETFs, exchange-traded funds. ETFs track the price of gold and can be traded on stock exchanges. They offer a liquid method of owning gold without the need to physically store it. C. Gold mining stocks. By investing in companies that mine gold, you're banking on their potential profitability, not just the value of gold. D. Gold bonds. Issued by governments, these bonds pay you an interest over time and return the principal, which is linked to the gold's market price, at maturity. Before diving into gold investments, it's essential to research, possibly seek advice from financial advisors, and be clear about your investment objectives. Gold is a long-term asset, so patience is golden. Historical significance of gold. From the great pharaohs of Egypt to the sprawling Roman Empire, gold has been an embodiment of power and prestige. Dynasties rose and fell, but gold? Its allure only intensified. When explorers set sail to unknown lands, they were driven by tales of cities rich in gold. It wasn't just a metal. It was the very essence of prosperity. Over time, gold coins became the universal medium of trade. This was not just due to its beauty but also its unique properties. It doesn't corrode, it's easy to mold, and it's rare enough to be valuable but abundant enough to create coins. Fast forward to modern times, and gold stands tall as a defender against economic volatility. But why has gold, out of all metals and assets, held this esteemed position? Attributes making gold a preferred asset. 1. Intrinsic value. Every ounce of gold requires considerable effort to extract, refine, and mold. This effort translates into its value. Unlike fiat currencies, it's not subject to government whims or policies. 2. Hedge against inflation and deflation. Historically, during times of inflation, when money loses its purchasing power, gold has shone the brightest. Similarly, during deflationary periods, when prices drop, and businesses curtail operations, gold retains its value. 3. Cultural and emotional significance. In countries like India, gold isn't just an investment, It's an integral part of cultural events, a cherished heirloom passed through generations. We've covered a lot of ground on our golden journey. If you're finding these golden nuggets insightful, remember to subscribe to Wealth Builders Wisdom. Let's continue to navigate the world of assets and investments together. Modern methods to invest in gold. A. Physical gold. While coins and bars are popular, remember to consider storage costs and the threat of theft. Plus, always ensure you buy from reputable dealers. B. Gold ETFs. A blend of traditional and modern, ETFs give you the liquidity of stocks with the stability of gold. No need for a vault. C. Gold mining stocks. This isn't a direct investment in gold but in the companies that mine it. It's a bet on their operational efficiency and the market price of gold. D. Gold bonds. A two-pronged benefit. You get the market value of gold at maturity and periodic interest. However, ensure you understand the tenure and terms. E. Digital gold. In the age of the Internet, you can now buy gold online. Stored in insured vaults, it offers a blend of convenience and security. Factors to consider. 1. Purity. Always check the purity. 24 carats is 99.9% pure gold. 2. Making charges. Especially for jewelry, the making charge can vary and significantly impact the price. 3. Storage. Whether a home safe, bank locker, or digital vault, ensure your gold is secure. 4. Liquidity needs. Physical gold isn't as liquid as ETFs or stocks. Your investment method should align with your liquidity requirements.
Missing is that there is an alternative to the dollar that doesn't involve another fiat currency, and that's gold. That is real money. Everybody forgets that for thousands of years, gold was money. It was money because it worked. Now, over the course of time, we had paper currencies that would rise and fall. I mean, hundreds of years ago, they were paper currencies that are now worthless and you don't even know their names. You know, they come and go, but gold has stayed. You know, gold works as money.
You've seen those ads touting gold as an investment. Well, all these people were so confident in one gold company, they poured their life savings into it. Then they say they got robbed. Lisa Guerrero investigates.
In wrapping up, gold isn't just a metal. It's a chronicle of human civilization, an ever-reliable friend in volatile times, and a testament to lasting affluence. As the world evolves, gold's methods of investment might change, but its core value remains unwavering. So, as the golden sun sets on today's episode, if this journey illuminated your investment path, hit that like button. And for further enlightenment, wisdom, and insights, ensure you subscribe to Wealth Builders Wisdom. Here's to weaving golden dreams and solidifying a prosperous future.